violets bloom. It's a food source for birds.
Gail Navarro knows trees. The Ozark nursery owner has lots of flowering trees, often a pick for residential yards. But the calorie pear tree, known as the Bradford pear, gets a no vote from the expert.
They're fast growing, which equals weak wooded. So for storm season, they're bound to fall apart somewhere in high winds or lightning.
Calorie or Bradford pears are a new enemy of conservation agents who say it's an invasive species spreading fast.
So what's happened is those produce fruit, the birds eat the fruit, and in their droppings, they're dropping seeds all over the place that are now genetically unique and can pollinate each other.
It may look like a pretty green field, but Skinner says this should be native prairie, and the invasive pear is disrupting the environment for things like butterflies, grasshoppers, and crickets.
You're going to depress our native landscape plants. Without some plants, you lose insects. Without those insects, you lose certain animals don't have food anymore. And it goes up that food chain in the nature area.
It's not illegal to sell calorie or Bradford pears, but Joplin Greenhouse stopped a few years ago because the trees easily split in storms. Skinner says other blooming trees like dogwoods are better for the environment, while Navarro points to some even sturdier options.
Cherry trees, there's the pink and white blooming cherry trees, serviceberry trees, which are native and a food source for birds. I have some tulip trees, which is a considerably larger tree. It's a redbud. So we're trying to lean people towards trees that are indigenous to this area, and they know how to stand up to the weather.
In Joplin, Lisa Oligas, KOAM News.